Hi viewers, welcome to today's mathematics tutorial. Today we are going to look at quadratic equation by factorization method. Now, example x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. How do you have solved this particular quadratic equation using factorization method? The first thing is multiplying the constant by the coefficient of x squared. Now from this example, the coefficient of x squared is just 1. Therefore, what you have to do is you multiply the constant x squared plus 2x minus the constant is 3 multiplied by the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, equal to 0. Therefore, what we have here, x squared plus 2x minus 3 times 1 is 3, equal to 0. Okay, after the multiplication, the next is you look for the factors of the constant that can sum up to the second term, the coefficient of x here. Therefore, what you have to do is get the factors of 3 that can sum up to 2. Now, what are the factors of 3 that can sum up to 2? Let's check the factors of 3. Factors of 3 here is equal to 1 and 3. Now, if we should sum these two factors, 1 plus 3 here will give us 4 and not 2x. So what we have to do is we now regulate the signs. Here becomes minus while here is plus. Minus 1 plus 3 will give us plus 2, and minus 1 times plus 3 will give you minus 3. So which means that these two factors easily worked out. What you have to do is you replace 2x by the factors of the constant which you have already chosen. Therefore, you write the expression into 4 terms. You have x squared, then minus x plus 3x minus 3 equal to 0. So what I have now is now 4 terms. Then the next is using grouping method, you group them in twos. That is x squared minus x here, then plus 3x minus 3 equal to 0. After that, you bring out a factor from each separate bracket. Now, what is the factors? Factors here will give you x, and the factors in the second bracket is 3. The factors here is x, and the factors here is 3. Then after that, you can now factorize, right? You're obeying the respective brackets. So which is x here in bracket, x cancel x squared will give us x minus, x cancel x here will give us 1, then plus the next factor is 3. 3 cancel 3 remaining x, then plus cancel minus is minus, 3 cancel 3 is 1, all is equal to 0. Now you now take your common factor. What is the common factor from the equation? The common factor is equal to x minus 1, which is here and also here. So because x minus 1 is here, x minus 1 is here, definitely x minus 1 becomes the common factor. It is common between the two expressions. So we now take it as x minus 1. So from here, we now have it as x minus 1 in the separate bracket. Open the next bracket. X minus 1 cancel x minus 1 here, remaining only x. Then plus x minus 1 cancel x minus 1 here, remaining plus 3 equal to 0. So after obtaining the main factors here, what you have to do now is to separate or share the 0, equate the two expressions into 0. The two different brackets, equate them to 0. Have it as x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, what next? What are you going to do next? You now have here as x, by collecting the like terms from the two separate equations, x here equal to when minus 1 crosses equality sign changes to plus 1, or x here is equal to when plus 3 crosses equality sign changes to minus 3. Therefore, we have x is equal to 1 or minus 3. So this is just the result of the quadratic equation above. Now you can take this particular question. Here is an assignment. Just try this at home, then give your result finally as a comment. Then don't forget to press on the subscribe button. Here is the question. The question says 3x squared here, then minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Factorize this using the factorization method. See you by this time next week. Thank you.